짜잔! 오늘 마트에 갔는데 이렇게 까서 익힌 밤을 팔고 있더라고요. 여기 레시피도 있어요. 제가 옛날부터 밤 페이스트를 너무 만들어 보고 싶었는데 밤을 손질할 엄두가 안 나는 거예요. 그걸 익혀가지고 까야 되는데 그게 엄두가 안 나가지고 못하고 있었는데 딱 이걸 팔아서 이렇게 깐 밤을 활용해서 페이스트를 한번 만들어 보려고요.
Exchange, I'd like to know more about you. What do you do for fun? I wanna know. Where do you come from? I like to go. What would you do if I told you I love you right now? I can tell you that me without I can see the morning turn into your eyes from sunset to sunrise. I swear I'll never tell you no more lies. I can tell you love me without I can see the morning turn into your eyes from sunset to sunrise. I swear I'll never tell you no more lies. I can show you every place that I've ever been without you, and I'll go every place that you've ever been without me. East Coast out west again, down through Lake Michigan, driving through Chicago to California again. I can tell you let me I can see the morning turn into your eyes from sunset to sunrise. I swear I'll never tell you no more lies. I can tell you love me I can see the morning turn into your eyes from sunset to sunrise. I swear
안 된다 답정했어요?